Pratik Goyal and today we will be solving Leetcode problem of the day. So the problem name is number of ways to split array. In this we have given an integer array nums which is of length n and num contains a valid split at index I if the following condition are true. So the condition is the sum of first I plus 1 elements is greater than or equals to the sum of last n minus I minus 1 elements, and there exists at least one element in the right of I. That means we can split in the range of 0 to n minus 2 only. We can't split at n minus 1 because then there won't be any element in the right hand side, and we have to return the number of valid splits in nums. Okay, so let's look into the first example. Okay, so we have given a nums which is having a 10, 4, minus 8 and 7. Okay, so the condition is sum till I should be greater than or equals to sum of last n. Okay, last n elements. Okay, so whenever the condition is met we have to count. Okay, that means if we are having a sum of first I which is 10, we have to check that 10 is greater than the sum of remaining elements which is 4 plus minus 8 plus 7 which is 3. So 10 is greater than 3. That is correct. So we are having a count as 1. Then we are at index number 1. So sum becomes 10 plus 1, 10 plus 4, which is 14. So we will check that the sum till I plus 1 is greater than the remaining elements, which is minus 8 plus 7, which is minus 1. So 14 is greater than minus 1. That is also a valid split. So count becomes 2. Okay. So after that, whenever we are at index number 2, we can't we will try to split. Okay. So the sum becomes 14 plus minus 8, which will be 6. So 6 is greater than or equals to 7. Is it true? No, that is not true. So the count remains 2. After that, we are at last index, and we can't take the last index because we are not having any other index in the right hand side. So that is the answer for this question, which is 2. Okay, so what we have to check is we have to check the sum till I index is greater than or equals to the sum of last n elements. Okay, how we can get the sum of last elements? That is nothing but sum total sum of array minus sum till I. That is, if we have to find out the total sum of this, which is 14 plus 14 minus 1, which is 13. That is the sum of this particular array. Okay, so whenever we are at index number 0, that means which is 10, which is 10 is greater than or equals to 13 minus 10, which is 10 is greater than or equals to 3. So what we have to do is we just have to count sum till I, and we have to take total sum of array. Then we can get sum of last n elements. Okay, so let's look into the code. Okay, so first we have taken the sum of nums, which is sum of nums. After that, index, which is pointing to 0, and sum till I, which is 0, and valid split count, which is 0. After that, we have taken a while loop, which is index plus 1, which is lesser than length of nums. After that, we are just doing sum till I plus equals to nums of index. Okay, and we are getting sum of last n elements. How we can get that? We can just get sum of nums minus sum till I. if sum till I is greater than or equals to sum of last n, that means that is a valid split. So we are just increase our valid split count. After that, we are just doing a index plus 1, and in the end we can just return valid split count. Okay, so that's it for this question. If you have any doubt in this question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.